there, it's your digital lifestyle expert, Mario Armstrong. I'm at CES 2025 in Las Vegas. Here's a sneak peek at just one of the tech trends you'll see this year. Robots that can help. They're big at CES. Aiper unveiled their Scuba X1 Pro Max. Now this is really wild. This is a cordless, all-in-one pool cleaning robot. It does it all. It skims the pool surface, it scrubs the walls, vacuums the floor, and cleans the water line, working with almost any pool shape with their advanced 3D mapping technology. And with the HydroCom Pro device, it tests water quality and offers maintenance tips. I'm talking from leaves to dirt and pet hair. It removes it all, letting you focus on the clear water and the fun. You can find out more at aiper.com. To find everything we covered at CES 2025, just head to our website, bestofces.com, or visit us on Instagram at InTheNewsTV.